Today is the big day, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am super excited. Your boy is finally moving out of my apartment into my first house, man. Just put up on my boy, man. He about to give me the trailer. I wish he was giving me the truck, man. I'd be saving so much gas. We done finally got the Trans Am fully strapped on. We gotta get it going. Gotta get it going. Oh, this is a huge walk-in closet. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. All that stuff fit. I see you, Ace. That's crazy. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. Today is the big day, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am super excited. Your boy is finally moving out of my apartment into my first house, man. I am super excited. I really can't show it because I barely can like express it because I'm still kind of like mind blown and it's kind of unreal to me, but I know damn well I worked for it hard enough and I've been waiting long enough and I've been knowing what I've been wanting for long enough. So I can't wait, man. So right now it's about like 5 in the morning. I'm trying to get everything going and flowing, man. It's really crazy because I'm telling y'all, I've been waiting forever, dude, like literally. But it's all good. Like I told y'all in the last videos, some stuff we want, we don't get. Why it's not happening as fast as we wanted until later we look back when we finally receive it. Then we'd be like, looking back, I wasn't ready for it as much as I thought I was. I mentally and physically wasn't, and financially wasn't ready for it. So it all happened when it's all ready, you know? So I thank God for everything. And I thank myself for my hard work, man, because at the end of the day, I got to make sure me and my man's Ace is good to go, man, just like my mom and dad make sure I was always good. So it's only right we keep it going. But we slide though, man. I'm about to go pull up my boy CJ. He gonna let me use his car trailer. I'm about to go ahead and go grab the trailer, take my Trans Am on the car trailer. I could drive it out there, but for the fact that I just want to just take it, drop it off, make everything simple and easy. I don't get the keys until like a few hours, but I did tell him my gardener was gonna come by and literally cut the grass. He had a gardener, but I wanted my boy to do it just so I can do it the way I want it, since it's now gonna be my shit. So that's how we about to do it, man. So stay tuned. We're about to go ahead and get up out there, drop the car off, come back, grab everything out the apartment, take another trip, have my pops come through with the jet ski and some other stuff. So y'all already know me, I got a lot of stuff. I got a 25-foot boat, 24-foot RV, I got a jet ski, I got a Camaro SS, a W6 Trans Am, I got a Corvette C6, I got the 1500 Silverado I'm giving away, I got my other work truck 1500 Silverado I'm giving away. I mean, I'm keeping. And then besides that, we got the bikes in the shop and so on, man. So, and I got the dirt bikes and the Polaris and whatnot. But like I said, man, we trying to get it going. We finally got somewhere to have everything at the house. We got the RV parking, the boat, and on top of that, the most special thing to me ever, we got the pool in the backyard, y'all. So, man, it's lit, man. I'm telling y'all, I've been working so hard for this. I cannot wait, man. I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. It's time to go up. We're about to get to it, though, and make it happen. I'm telling y'all, man, it's literally game time. And I appreciate everybody for all the support, man, because I'm telling y'all, everybody played a part in making it happen and supporting your boy, man, literally. From a view to a like to merch to hats, keychains, beanies, everything you could think of, literally. But like I said, man, we're about to get on this freeway and slide, man. I'll show y'all right now how I'm looking. Yes, sir. It's still dark outside, but I ain't the only one out here getting to it. As y'all can see, man, everybody is in traffic, getting to it, flowing and going, man. So we about to get to it ourselves, man. We got a long day. We just went and put a hot 100 in a truck, 231 miles. If one of the winners is looking at it right now, y'all see what $100 gonna do to y'all truck, man. Make sure y'all enter to win this joint, because this can be y'all. I'm telling you, I'm giving this truck away. Y'all don't know how much I just spent on this truck. This is one of the newest trucks I've ever had. I done worked my ass off and had so much other stuff, and that's what made me value and appreciate this truck. And I use this truck for everything from the boat, RV, dirt bike, everything you could think of, moving, towing. Y'all done see me do it all with this truck. I done drove this truck to Texas twice. I done went to Arizona like 3 times, Vegas a few times. I'm telling y'all, I'm giving this truck away, and you got the opportunity right now to win it for $50 paired together with a 2019 Harley built by Drake, man. I'm telling y'all, enter to win this joint right now in the description below, man. You get to have the 2015 Lifted Silverado already done with everything fully done, ready to go. Y'all see how I just uploaded the video of me and my boy Ray putting the lift kit on a 2001. This truck got the whole shebang, and this ain't even a 6-inch lift kit. I think this like an 8 or a 10-inch. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So we got it going, man. I got 20 by 12s on the work truck. This truck got 22s by 12s. So this a little bit bigger. So just know, man, y'all win this truck, you're gonna be with the big dogs. I'm telling y'all, man. It ain't diesel, but it's gas, but it's gonna get the job done. I'm telling y'all, I done took all my stuff from LA to everywhere. So best believe it's gonna get the job done, man. Back in the day, they had 454s. This truck is a lot more reliable than that, I tell you. But yeah, man, we slide. Y'all see how it's looking. Got the sun coming up. We get into it. We about to make it happen. I'm feeling good. It's about to be an excellent day. I'm gonna speak it into existence. I can't wait, man. I'm excited, man. It's about to be a movie. I promise y'all, dude. Y'all don't understand, dude. I could have literally been in the same position, but people know I stay motivated. I try to keep myself on track and stay focused on the prize. I'm telling y'all, everybody is not on this freeway for nothing. Everybody could be at the house sleep. Everybody up getting to it for a reason. You gotta just find your reason and make it happen. That's why it's like the hardest part is literally just getting out the bed. Once you get past that, it's a wrap. I feel a little tired right now, but the longer I drive, the sun coming up, I'm gonna adapt right to it and be up at it. That's why we gotta stay moving, stay working, man. Get to this shit. I'm about to keep driving, man. I appreciate the hell out of all of y'all supporting your boy. Anybody watching this, I'm telling y'all, I appreciate y'all for real. We sliding, about to get to it and make it happen, man. We are on the way to success and greatness. I'm telling y'all, it's no other way. It ain't going down no other way. I promise y'all, man. We sliding. Just pulled up on my boy, man. He about to give me the trailer. I wish he was giving me the truck, man. I'd be saving so much gas. So much gas. We're about to use a trailer, though. We're about to load up the car. My boy always come through. And I'm telling you, I need this trailer. This shit perfect. Look, bright lights. It's crazy. We coming on, man, step by step. One thing at a time. That's one thing I had to learn. One thing at a time, man. We done finally got the Trans Am fully strapped on. This shit fully strapped. Truck ready to go. About to slide. So I gotta double check everything. Got the car locked and loaded. I'm about to go ahead and get me some good breakfast. Gotta make sure we got everything nice strapped down. Tell you, my boy Ray's so solid. I'll never forget, man. I almost damn near dropped one of my bikes on my truck when I first started riding. He had bought me all 4 of these yellow straps. So I'll be using them joints for the cars. They too heavy duty for the bikes, but y'all see it, man. We about to get some grub. I'm telling you, man, y'all see how we coming. This can be y'all. I'm telling y'all, we giving away the truck. I'm giving this truck away, man, to one of my lucky subscribers. Y'all see how we doing it. We towing one of my race cars, man. It's slow now, but just stay tuned, man. I literally been waiting for this moment. Y'all don't even know. I've been waiting to work on all my cars, to build all my cars, paint them and all that. My thing was, why build them and do all that to still be at an apartment if somebody steal it or, you know? But timing is everything, man. It's game time. About to get this shit going. We about to get it going, man. I'm so excited. I don't know. So we got a lot of tows today. It's gonna be one of 3 cars. Well, shit, one of really 4 cars we gotta move. But y'all see it, man. Enter the win for the Silverado, man. This can be yours. Go in the description below, get you a red hat. That's gonna be your red entry to win the truck, man. We sliding. I ain't gonna lie, your boy had literally been driving for about an hour, but it's all good. I forgot to tell y'all. I'm sorry to do it to y'all, but I am not moving out of California. I would love to, and I'm not gonna lie. My honest plan was I was about to, but I think about like my son and his mom and the whole thing about it. So I'm gonna stay out here for 1 more year, but next year for sure. A lot of y'all was right though, I ain't gonna lie. A lot of y'all only said Texas is duh, of course, because my friend out there, but I thought about that too. It would have been a cool idea. But if I leave out of Cali, which I will next year, I'm for definitely going straight to Arizona. Like, no cap, I love it out there. Arizona is waiting on me, and it's all good. But we slided, man. We got the beast on the back. I'm telling you, I've been waiting on this moment. But we about to slide, man. I'm almost out here. I cannot wait, y'all. Y'all don't understand. This is like a life-changing experience. Y'all done seen, some of y'all who've been watching me subscribe from the beginning, y'all done seen me for literally my mom's house, being in my mom's backyard, to me getting an apartment, growing to the shop, to now I'm finally about to have a house with the garage. I literally never ever worked on nothing in the garage besides my first time, not my first time, but the last time I went to Arizona with my boy A2, I think they had a Soul Brothers event out there. We had the Airbnb. That's the first time I ever went out there. Got out there 3 in the morning, worked on the bike till early in the morning, got it going and rode the bike, and it was successful. It was just mind blowing the fact that I was able to get there in the middle of the night and work on it and get it done. I'm used to having to wait till early in the morning till my shop open and closed. So it was a complete difference, man. But we coming together, we making it happen every day. We grinding, working harder. I'm telling y'all, as long as I'm alive and breathing, I'm getting to it, man. I'm telling you. It may not look like it to some, and that's my last honest thought in my head, is who think what and what they thinking, you know? I be worried about the real life facts. That's why I'm literally driving to my first house right now. I'm telling you, I made this shit happen. A lot of people helped me along in different many ways and all played a part, but it's like at the end of the day, it takes a person in charge to push the process. And that's why I thank God for myself and my motivation and everything, you know, because I'm telling y'all, it's out here, man. Y'all gotta just want it and get to it, dude. Like literally. So that's what we doing. We getting to it, man. I'm telling y'all, we slide. We got the car on the back, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I'm gonna drop this and get right back on the freeway. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm honestly not about to show too much of nothing. I'm gonna definitely get y'all gonna get the garage at all times where the work is at, but I'm not about to be doing all that, man. I gotta lay my head here, make sure me and my family is safe. And that's the main thing, man. But like I said, we slide, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on. We working. Hello, neighbors. Got our first garage, y'all. That's crazy. This is a movie. That's crazy. All that stuff fit. I see you, Ace. That's crazy. Ace, why you ain't helping? Why you not helping? That's crazy. All right, just let me know whenever you close, I guess. I'll be right behind you. Jet ski and all the stuff's on the way. We got our stuff loaded. I gotta finish up. Pull it back up. My dad then offloaded everything. He done got here before me.